Welcome back to the course. In the previous video, we understood what Go High Level is. Today, we are going inside one of the most important sections, which is contacts. If you don't understand contacts, you can't build automation because it is the most important part of Go High Level. Okay, let's switch to the next screen and let me show you how contacts appear inside Go High Level. And here you can see that just right here we can see the option of contacts. So inside the contacts you can see almost roundabout a lot of contacts are here, and today we will learn about these, like just an overview. What are the contacts? Basically they are the leads, these are the customers, and we have all the information regarding our customers inside the contact folder. So starting from the contact, that we can see that here is a smart list. So basically what is the functionality of smart list? It will just make the view easy for us, that how we want to see our contacts, like only the customers, only the leads, only the customers that are belongs to some specific country or things like that. Okay, so if we move forward you can see that there are the contact names, phone numbers, emails, and a lot of other things that belongs to your specific contacts. Other than that, if we move towards like filters, that I want to show only specific contacts on my screen, then here is the, if I click on this, then I want to add some, like show me, if I type this one, then it will only show me the names of those contacts. And after that, if I want to filter, like which is known as the advanced filter here, if I want to filter the contacts on the basis of their tags, I will simply search here the tag will appear right here. I will click on it, and if the tag is, I will select the tags that are available on your Go High Level system. Otherwise I have different options for here, that what to do, right to do, things like that. Okay, so now let's come to that, how contacts get added into this system. Discard the changes. So how we can add contacts into these contact folder, let's come to that thing. Let me clear the filter right over here. Okay, so there are different types and different, you can say, methods to add the contact. First of all, the forms that we are going to build on our websites will save the contacts inside the GHL. Other than that, we can import the contacts in bulk actions. We will visit this as well later. After that, we can add the contacts manually. Let me show you. If I add the contact manually right away here, so here you can see that there's a button for add contact. If I click on it, I will enter the name, blah blah blah, then the last name, then the proper Gmail, okay, and after that I will select the phone number, country, and after selection all these things, I will simply click on save. So when I click on save, the contact will get successfully added into this list, and after that I will use this list or that specific contact to make automations later or things like that. After that, if I go to some specific contact, like this one, inside this I can see that the conversation area with that specific contact, which is provided inside the Go High Level. Like you can see WhatsApp, email, then Twilio, then iMessage, a lot of things are here. So it is still loading. So yes, now here you can see, from here I can type a message, whatever I want, and I will simply click on send button, and this message will get sent to the contacts. After that, similarly WhatsApp, we have email, where we write an email and send to this contact. After that, on this left side you can see there are different information regarding the contact or regarding your customer, which includes the name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth. A lot of fields are here, and the good thing in Go High Level is that we can add the fields that we want. Like these are the custom fields, we can add new fields, we can remove the fields. A lot of things are here. So if we move forward, why contacts matter? Contacts matter because whoever visits your website, it will fill the form, that contact will appear here. Whoever books the appointment, that contact will appear here with a tag that this customer has booked an appointment, this is the date, this is the time of the appointment. Whoever customer pays the invoice will appear in this window. whoever replies to the message will appear here. Like if I go to the conversation here right away, this conversation shows me that which contact approaches you and when he approaches you. You can see that here. These are all the contacts, like Imam is here, Uzaifa is here, Kulsum is here. So these are all the contacts that are messaging me, that are in contact with me. Thank you. This is all about the contacts, and in our next video we will come up with the custom fields, inshallah. Thank you. Bye.